Okay, we have our train. It's coming on in. We're going to be going to the airport. Give it a little bit of 360 before the train comes in. There it is. Come on in. Got some people on the train. Okay, let's go check it out. Have you been wondering what it's like to ride on the trains in Macau? This is just kind of a simple train. It goes to the casino area, and we're just going to catch it at one particular spot and go to the airport. So it's about half of the Macau one is not very long. But I do have some other videos that I'll link down below where I go end to end, and I also have some where I do like different stations as well, so you can get an idea of those. So those will be in the thumbnail. But anyways, enough of that. Let's just get right into it as if you were there yourself. Okay, the Macau Light Rail Transit. I'm going to be narrating over the video, and so I'll just kind of let you know what you're seeing. So this particular train line where we're at, as you can see in the previous one with the map, so basically right there is the Central, all those tall buildings. That's where most of the residents live, and there's a few hotels. But the train track is basically focused mostly going through the casinos and also goes through some of the immigration points. The airport is where our destination is going to be, and that's one of them. Another one is a track that goes into mainland China, into Hengqin, and then another one where the ferries are at. They go to Hong Kong and to mainland China as well. So this train line services quite a few tourists. So if you're on here, you're going to see a lot of people with suitcases. It's seldom used by Macau residents unless they're going to work at a casino. And so to the right, there was some casinos there. That was the Galaxy Casino. And I'll let you know some of the other casinos as we get into it more. So on this track, here's this one right here is kind of cool because you can see the beauty of these small trains. They're usually like 2 cars throughout Macau. And yeah, they're basically bringing tourists. So you'll see lots of people with suitcases, and they'll probably be going to these casinos. Like the one to the left is Studio City right there. They do serve some of the communities as well. They go to apartments called Ocean Gardens, so if somebody lives there, but usually somebody that's a Macau resident might be going to work. So they might use a train for that. But generally you'll see people with suitcases and such. So there's Studio City right there in front of us. And then you can see that Circle 8 one, that's like a Ferris wheel. So a lot of tourists will go up there. There's also a water park in there as well. So Studio City is also connected. So this stop right here will connect to the train line that goes into Hengqin, China. So that's kind of an entry point. And then right there is like an immigration point to the right. It's kind of like a police station / and then this particular building that you can see to the right here is called Islands Hospital. So that was actually built during the pandemic, 2020 to 2023 era. And so that's fully functioning now. And that's basically like a private hospital. So it's kind of focuses more on like preventative health. But yeah, it's called Islands Hospital, and you can also take the train down there as well. Okay, so here's the beauty of another one of these trains coming in. It's like, I love the windows. We actually got a nice window for when we're looking out ourselves, and then you can also see that when it's coming in, you know, just how much window viewing you have from inside these trains. Okay, so down there you can see Parisian. MGM is that one with the kind of golden block. We're gonna get some nice views of that one coming up soon. To the right, the Wind Palace is the kind of the gold one to the right, and then the left is MGM, and then also to the further left you can see 4 buildings. Those are all hotels that go to the that serve as the guest accommodations for the Londoner Casino. Let's see, so yeah, we get the nice view now of the MGM. So we're gonna even get a better view. So you have MGM on the left and Wind Palace on the right, and then just a glimpse of you of it on the far right is Lisboa Palace. So we're kind of going through this little stretch of casinos, but actually this whole route you can see quite a few casinos. It's good for good viewing, especially in the evening when the lights are coming on. There's a nice view of MGM right there. So, and then those buildings in the background, those are the Londoner ones. Those are the hotels, 4 hotels. And then there's a circular one that used to be Hard Rock Cafe. And then you're getting some views. Well, now we're at the station. And pretty soon we're going to start seeing some, there's the beauty of one of these trains coming in. Look at all those windows, looking pretty good. Okay, so we're going to be moving along, and to the left is aquatic show. I think that's advertisement for Londoner, I think. But anyways, also right now to the left you have TIS, the International School right there to the left, and then also the there's a school called Must that's also to the left there. Over here to the right, now we're getting near the airport. So so you'll be able to see. And now we've actually disembarked from our beautiful little Macau Light Rail Transit line. And if we went further, we'd just go one more station and it would end at the next station, which I think is the ferry terminal. But this one is the airport. So you can see the beauty of the train, so small as well. And what we're going to be doing is going up into the airport, and we'll just kind of give you a little view of what it's like. Because even when you come out of it, you know, we have some kind of nice little stations. You still got the nice views on the platforms as well. They're all uplifted a little bit, so it's like a kind of like a monorail. Some nice views and nice windows. And actually that day is a beautiful day. So here we are heading up to the airport. And even up here we can have some good views. So I'm going to take a look and see what we can view from over this lookout. And there we go. There's some airplanes right there. Quite convenient. So actually people can get to the airport to casino, you know, within 15 to 20 minutes. I've heard that they can even get to a golf course within 30 minutes. They can get to a hotel that's a casino hotel right there and be on the golf course very quickly. So it's quite interesting how accessible the airport is to the city, especially for tourists. You get right to their casino and their hotels quickly. So, okay, so now we're going into the airport. So directly from the station, we can see the airplanes actually as we enter right into the station. So it's quite convenient in that way as well. And to the right is you can see some of the train line right there. And there we go. So into the airport. I'm not going to film the airport, you know, because of it's generally not a good idea to film in there, but so we're going to end right there. So there you go.